This is 2963 St. Thomas Way in Cascada at Monterra. And this is directly across the street is another unit. This is an interior unit. Paver entrance, garage door, garage entry in the back. There's the entry towards the front. Enter granite, stainless steel appliances, dining room, eat-in combo, off to the kitchen. Exit to the garage, and it's a rear entry garage. The back. Here. Also unit. Half bath off of the kitchen. This is a brand new unit, never lived in. Owner was military and was relocated before they could move in. Two-story unit, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Bottom ceiling. This is the master bedroom. To the right off the steps, you have a little mezzanine balcony, French doors, master bedroom. Storage. Water closet, diagonal towels. This is the shower, walk-in shower, and master bedroom closet, also the shower. And there's the attic entry through there. Okay. View from the closet. Guest rooms on opposite side. Laundry room upstairs. All brand new appliances included. Diagonal towel throughout. Plenty of storage, linen closet. Thermostat. Unit. Guest bedroom 1. standard size closets. Light fixture, there's no ceiling fans that come with this unit. Just the standard light bulb. To see there's cat. Guest bedroom 2. Same thing, standard light bulb. And guest bedroom 1. There you go. All tile diagonal throughout. There's a full tub in here. Sink. Little niche. And that is this unit.